Hi friends, this is your Smart Byte Tutorials. I am your man. Today our topic is 96132 and 96133. First we are going to see 96132. Neuroconnectivity testing evolution first hours. Definition represents the first hour of neuroconnectivity testing's evolution service performed by a physician or other qualified healthcare professional. Scope of service integration of patient data, interpretation of standardized test results, clinical decision making, treatment plan, interactive feedback to patients, families, or caregivers. Time requirement covers 31 to 60 minutes of evaluation. Usage always reported for the initial hour of evaluation service. Our next CPT is 96133. Add-on code each additional hour. Definition add-on code used for each additional 31 minutes. Increment beyond the first hour. Scope of service same activities as 96132. Integrations, interpretations, planning, feedback. Time requirement reported for each additional 31 minutes after the first 60 minutes. Usage must be built in the conjunction with 96132 cannot be reported alone. We have three scenarios for the better understanding for the CPT codes. Scenario 1 45 minutes of evolution. Time spent 45 minutes. Code 96132 covers the first 31 to 60 minutes. So, no need add-on codes. Scenario 2 75 minutes of evolutions. Time spent 75 minutes. Code 96132. First 31 to 60 minutes. Add-on code 96133. Additional 31 minutes beyond the first hour. Scenario 3 120 minutes of evolution. Time spent 120 minutes. Code 96132. First 31 to 60 minutes. Add-on code 96133 into 2. Additional 31 minutes increments beyond the first hour. Thank you. Like, comment, and